moved to a new apartment and we want to set up our studio, and we thought that it would make sense to carry you guys along so that you get to see all the whole setup for our new studio. So join me and let's set up together. So we have the first door, but that's not the studio, right? We have the studio right in this room. We have everything that we've gotten for our studio. We have them right on this table, but then you're going to see that we still have some things that we need to put together. We need to ensure that we are able to cover this particular space. We're able to just cover it so that we can have, we're able to control our lights. Then on this table, we have all the equipment that you should be familiar with on our channel. We have our microphones, we have our tripod stand, we have so many wires, that will lead to all the connection. Right here on this part, we were able to get a flower, although it's one for now. We are still going to get more flowers that we are going to be positioning at this point and also at this point. We've also added this particular wall frame on the wall so that you can just ensure that we have a very, very beautiful space. And then we have 2 chairs, even though we're going to still get more chairs because we are also going to be having guests in this particular studio. So with this, join us as we set up together.
All right, so the curtain, I'm so tall. So the curtain has been fixed and we still notice some kind of light coming in here. All right, so we're just going to use this double-side gum tape to, kind of lap the curtain perfectly to the wall. All right, so yeah, the curtain has been, fixed in here, and the echo have also disappeared because these are white thick curtains.
Yes.
Okay, so the lights, we are going to start with the soft boxes because we need a stronger tripods for the LED photographic lights. We're going to unbox this. Right? Is it re-unboxing because it's already unboxed? Okay,
yeah,
so we are going to set this up. Goes in here. So this is just going to serve as the key light, and this should be the fill light. So let's cover it up with the filter. The soft boxes are all ready. So next up, let's also set up the tripod.
The phone holder.
Yeah, the tripod for the phone holder. So this is also ready. The next job is here. All right, setting up the mic, the arm. So this goes in here. Okay, supposed to go this way, and then not. Right. So the first mic is supposed to come in here. We can simply turn the mic over here. First, this mic. So we're going to rotate. Great. And you need to also lock this up and here. Okay, so it's firm enough. All right, now the next mic goes to the other side. we're going to put this in here. Boom. Okay. And then we're going to wire it up through this port all the way. All right, so this one is for this guy, Team the brother, and everybody's happy. Whoa, 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 wait. This. Oh, okay. So this is one. That's not all. That's also. All right. So here we go. Tablet holder. All right. Then. The flower. So where would you say, over there or over there? At least for now.
I think over there is better.
So let's place it here.
The second
supposed
one
to stay over there. Okay, now the setup is all done. Come in and see what we have. Are you ready for this one?
Yes, I am.
Let's go. Welcome to our podcast studio or our YouTube studio. Everything is now ready for us to cook. Now let's walk us through everything that we've set up here. So these are our soft boxes, right? The key light and the fuel light, and we actually noticed that the lighting still needs more intensity. So by the time we get another tripod, we're going to change it to the LED photography light. Then over here is the main camera tripod, all right, and then over there is the B-roll camera tripod as well. And yeah, that's the phone that we're going to be using for our tutorials. And on the desk as well, we have the Redmi Pad SE, I guess, and we also have the iPad 10th generation, and we have the EliteBook, all right, from HP. And our shears, okay, like I said, we're still going to have a second flower just like this one over here, all right, but then the flower is well situated there. And yeah, the frame, okay. And now where is this blue RGBness coming from? Under here, all right. So we have the moonlight, okay, we have the moonlight over here, all right, that is giving, you know, these sun or light ray. Behind here we have the twin lights, okay, that is giving us some beauty, all right. I don't really know if the effect is being shown, but I'll still try to do something so that the light can come up much better. So I just mounted them under here, and then the blue light is coming from the Pro LED under here, all right. And yeah, we are ready to cook for 2025. I know one video I've already been posted for 2025, but then just regard this as the first video of 2025, and all the videos we are going to be shooting in 2025 is going to be in this beauty, all right. And I think we're also going to be offering our studio out for rent, okay. If you want to do a podcast, we also have a third mic. If you have 3 persons in the podcast, we have something that you can also use for your videos. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel and be on the lookout for all the amazing content that we have planned for 2025. I don't know if I should say Happy New Year, but I'll see you on the next one.